search and click the clearance.nbi.gov.ph, the NBI Clearance Service website. A pop-up will appear where the applicant will choose what language they prefer and that they agree to the data privacy disclaimer. The homepage of the website will appear, and the applicant will be asked, do you have an old NBI clearance issued from 2014 to present? As a new applicant, choose No. Renewal of NBI clearance is not available at any satellite offices of NBI. Proceed to the account registration, where the applicant should complete the necessary information sought by the application, such as first, middle, and last name, mobile number, birth date, email address, etc. Mark or check the box that states read and accept terms and services, and I am not a robot. Click the sign up button, and to verify the application, enter the OTP that is sent to the applicant's email or mobile number. After completing the registration, the applicant should log in to their account using the email address and password they provided. On the page entitled Applicant Information, key in the requested personal details carefully, then click Save Information. The applicant must ensure that his or her address must be complete, including the city or municipality and province. A pop-up reminder will appear stating that the applicant should recheck his or her provided information and then click the Submit button. Afterward, the applicant will select the Apply for Clearance button and will be asked to provide a specific government-issued or valid ID from the drop-down menu. Enter the ID number and proceed to the next step by clicking the I Agree button. Select the NBI branch where the applicant wants to process their application. After picking the preferred branch, a calendar will appear. Then select the desired appointment time and date. The number of available or vacant slots on the anticipated date is represented by the blue boxes. Select a type of payment method: over-the-counter bank payment, online bank payment, cash payment via Bayad Centers or LBC, via 7-Eleven, GCash, EasyPay, DragonPay, ShopeePay, Maya, or Visa or MasterCard. If the applicant availed the first-time job seeker assistance, he or she should present an original copy of barangay certificate and oath of undertaking from which barangay he or she resides. The applicant will then pay 130 pesos for the NBI clearance and 30 pesos for the system fee, for a total of 160 pesos. Photograph or screenshot the provided reference number after payment. Proceed to the transaction page to verify if the application status is paid or pending. Head to the chosen NBI branch on the exact appointment time and date, bringing the requirements such as the 2 valid IDs and reference number. The full name and the reference number should be written on the transaction slip. Hand over the transaction slip to the NBI clearance personnel. Wait for the staff assigned to call the applicant's name or assigned number. The staff will capture a photograph of the applicant along with their biometric data. On the screen placed in front of the applicant, the with hit, no hit, or for quality control status will appear. If the applicant acquires a no-hit status, He or she may secure an NBI clearance within minutes, whereas an applicant obtaining a with hit status will have to wait 10 working days for their clearance to be released. A for quality control status, on the other hand, is for applicants who will be interviewed by agents in order to certify whether or not the applicant has indeed a criminal record or just a namesake.